Dolly Parton chocolate cake? We gotta make this. Come on. So 4 large eggs, 8 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and a cup and a half of milk or water. Preheat your oven at 350. Let's get that milk poured. Then 8 tablespoons of butter. Now that our butter's in, we'll add our oil. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now we'll need 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we mixy. Now let's butter up our cake pans. Got our pans buttered up. Oh.
Me too. Bunny Joe.
Set it to 28 minutes. We got the first one out the oven. Still waiting on the second one. And the second one is out. And that's how they're looking. For you guys. Never gonna forget. Enjoy.